Another Amazon find made easy with Sheb on Amazon, and today's product goes in the shower and it will provide you with a better way to hold your curtain rod, and using these little mounted pieces that we're going to install together. So I am actually trying to make my office, this is my office bathroom, a little more practical and easy to use. And so this rod here falls all the time. So when I found these pieces, I thought that it would be a great way to hold my curtain or shower curtain rod together in a much secure way and easier to use. So let's take a look.